Farah Karim Qasim. Born and raised in Bahrain, she shares a deep rooted connection with the kingdom's culture and community. She holds a bachelor's degree in commerce and began her professional journey as a teacher. Today, she seamlessly blends her educational background, cultural insight, and creative passion to inspire, connect, and celebrate the vibrant spirit of the Gulf. She is a passionate content creator and influencer who has been curating authentic stories and immersive experiences since 2020. From hidden street food gems to refined fine dining experiences, city escapes to regenerating wellness retreats, Farah creates visually engaging content that resonates deeply with her audience. Her work and influence have earned her the title of Top 2 Food Blogger as voted by the people of Bahrain through Bahrain This Month magazine, and she proudly stands as one of the top 3 winners of the 104.2 Mirchi Aaj Hunt. Please welcome Farah Karim Qasim. Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Be Candid with Preeti, and today we have someone whom I love. Why? There's a reason behind it. पंजाबी हूँ यार, फूडी हूँ. आज वो बंदी को बुला लिया मैंने जो एक फूड ब्लॉगर है यहाँ पे बहरीन में. So hi Farah.
Hi Preeti, how are you?
I'm good and thank you for accepting the invite.
Thank you for inviting me in your podcast. I'm so happy to be here.
Oh, thank you, ji. Thank you so much. And so, okay, fine, Farah. Now, let me ask you, how do you define yourself beyond the labels of being an influencer and a food blogger?
Well, before becoming an influencer and food blogger, I used to be a teacher. So I would say I was a professional teacher, but I found myself, I found my true self when I started food blogging.
Acha.
That was my true self. So, I will call myself an influencer and food because I'm very happy in this. I love doing this. So this is who I am. Connecting with people, because you're the same, right? You like connecting with people. So
खाना का चाहिए. अच्छा खाना. So, are you a good chef as well? कि सिर्फ blogging में?
I cook. I don't know बहुत अच्छी शेफ हूँ या नहीं, लेकिन
हाँ, इन्होंने मेरे को कभी खाने पे इनवाइट नहीं किया. So Farah, what was that first post as a food blogger that you had posted and you said, yeah, this is my space and this is what I want to do?
Preeti, it all started when, we used to go to the restaurants. So we had our Instagram pages. तो कुछ post करके डाल दिया ऐसे ही family के साथ, you're gone with family, you will take pictures of the food and you will post it. I started off like that.
Okay.
You won't believe that I started off like that. It wasn't a planned thing. And then I started getting responses.
Oh.
So मैंने कहा why not? Why not? Let's do this. And then it
वो
took off
पेशेंस
from
का
there.
ये पेशेंस वाला काम है. मैं बताती हूँ, मेरे सामने तो खाना आ गया तो मेरा होता है पहले खा लो, और जब कोई मेरे को बोल देता है रुको इसका फोटो लेना है मुझे होता है फटाफट लो
और फैमिली की गालियाँ सुनो जल्दी कर.
That's me. If I go out with any friends ना, अगर मैं बोले रुक प्रीति पहले फोटो ले, I'll be like ठंडा हो जाएगा जल्दी ले क्योंकि
ये एंगल सही
नहीं कर रहे, ये ऊपर से लेना है साइड से
लेना है यार. तो ऐसे हुआ स्टार्ट, just casually फैमिली के साथ I started my page. मेरी नीस ने ये पेज बनाया था, the Bahrain blog. She made this page and she said, Appi, you're taking pictures and you're taking nice pictures, why don't you post it on this page? Let's see. And I did, and I started getting responses. People started asking inquiries, which restaurant is this? What was the food? How was the food? How was the menu? And then I'm like, okay.
That can be your food.
Yeah, this is like 2020. I'm talking about 2020.
6 साल
when I
पहले
started. Yes.
Okay, so blogging 6 साल पहले.
शुरू
आपने बताया आप टीचर थे, कौन सा सब्जेक्ट था आपका?
I was teaching social studies and entrepreneurship to primary classes from grade 1 to grade 6.
Okay.
I was teaching them कि पैसे कैसे बचाने का.
और अभी पैसे कैसे बनाने का. Bahrain is a very small place actually. It's an island, beautiful island. But how did it happen कि Bahrain में इतना hype create कर दिया आपने food blogging का?
Preeti, Bahrain has a lot of diversity. A lot of cultures are here.
Yeah.
So many people, so many cultures, so many different restaurants. So वो एक non finishing वो था. बहुत कुछ था explore करने के लिए. It is a small place though, but there is a lot to explore when it comes to food. So, that was how my passion started. I wanted to try new things, new restaurants,
Cuisines and everything.
and give my feedback. So that's how I got this passion. And I found Bahrain the perfect place because there is a lot of diversity, every kind of restaurant from every nationality, every country. So yeah, that is the thing that
So
yeah
Bahrain
inspired
was
me.
the apt place for you to start this.
Exactly.
Arey
Exactly.
wow.
Yeah.
Actually, yes. As I always say, Bahrain being those small island, but a very warm and a beautiful place. If anybody wants to have a small vacation, please do visit Bahrain. तो फर्क कोई ऐसी डिश होगी ना जिसने आपका दिल जीत लिया होगा, या अभी भी आपको अगर कोई 10 बार भी खाने को बोले तो आप कभी मना नहीं करोगे, वो कौन सी डिश है?
My comfort food.
कौन सी?
Comfort food, like you give me that 3 times a day, you give me every day, is machbouz. Machbouz is the Bahraini dish,
Yeah.
right?
So please
Made with chicken.
explain to my viewers.
So machbouz is actually a Bahraini dish. It's made with rice and chicken. Or some people make it with meat, but I like it with chicken. So if that is my comfort food. So if you give me that every day, 3 times a day, I'm happy.
So Majboos and biryani, do they belong to the same family?
Kind of. Spice palette is same, but majbouz is not that spicy, and it's not having that layers. Biryani is having the layers, na? That white rice and the masala and the like that. But majbouz is mixed with the masala, like it's mixed, so it's like one color. It will not have the
तो
layers.
ये मेरी प्लेट है, मेरी प्लेट ऐसी ही होती है. मैं मतलब जब खाने के लिए बैठ जाती हूँ तो मेरा ऐसा नहीं होता है कि ये इधर है वो इधर है, वो सब एक. इनफैक्ट आई यूज्ड टू गेट स्कोल्डिंग्स फ्रॉम माय डैड. ही यूज्ड टू से ऐसे कौन पंजाबी ए डंगरा वांगू खाना क्यों खानी है. So I like it. कैसे खाना खाती है? How can you mix everything? Even I used to mix salad also. के कौन एक्स्ट्रा जाके उठा के लेके आ गए के करके बीच में डाल दो तुम लोग.
Exactly.
तो he really used to give me nicely. So majboos is my food. जब आप पिक्चर्स लेते हो फरा,
Yeah.
फूड ब्लॉगिंग के टाइम पे, as we were discussing, angles really matter the most. But apart from the angles and everything, what is the most challenging part being a food blogger?
You always have to be following the trend. There is always some trends going on. You have to.
फूड में भी?
फूड में भी शॉर्ट्स ऐसे होने चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए.
अच्छा.
हाँ, वन डायरेक्शन वाला होना चाहिए या फुल होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, लाइटनिंग ऐसी होनी चाहिए.
Okay.
तो ये सब कुछ बड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. मे बी व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग 50 शॉट्स ऑफ वन डिश, उसमें से 2 यू विल सेलेक्ट ओनली 2.
Okay.
Yeah, because you want that perfect thing. So yeah, you will know that because things develop. So even in food blogging, you have to see, okay, and of course, you cannot make your video very long. You don't get views. Yeah, you have to cover everything.
Be crisp.
ये भी एक creativity है. This is
crisp.
also a creative thing. Your mind has to be present there. Okay, ये भी होना चाहिए. This shot, quickly. तो सब कुछ दिखाना कम time में, but you have to keep the audience engaged. That's the main thing. You have to keep your audience engaged.
So you make video for the audience, not for yourself. You mean to say?
Exactly. I want them to see my videos from the beginning to the end. And for that, I have to be creative. I have to, follow the trend. I have to be creative all the time.
What about the venues where you go? Do they accept you or entertain you with respect? और पहले hiccups होते थे कि अभी कैसा है? Is there any change that you see?
Oh, a lot. They whenever they invite me or I approach them that I want to come and try your menu, they're very helpful, and they help you. Like they tell you what dishes are the signature dishes. You should try this and you should try this, or something they want me to show them the people. So they help me, and they're very the service is very good. Everywhere that I went in these past 6 years, I had an amazing experience.
So which is your favorite place?
One place.
Foodie. बोला था ना foodie है.
The other places will get naraz, no?
ये पैसा बोल रहा है अभी. खाने के साथ साथ पैसा बोल रहा है लोगों, सुनो. तो फिर आपको लगता है कि like other cultures and everything, जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि कपड़े हो गए या लोग हो गए या माहौल हो गया, environment हो गया, क्या food भी connect करता है लोगों को?
बिल्कुल कनेक्ट करता है प्रीति. there are so many people, Bahraini people, they like to try Indian food, Indian cuisine, and Indians, they want to try the Arabic food or the Thai food. So they definitely food connects them, because उसका कोई language नहीं है. Like music has no language.
Yeah.
Food also have no language. So people, yeah, they try different cuisines and yeah, they love it. Yeah,
तो
it
आपके कोई
connects.
इंटरनेशनल फ्रेंड्स बने इस पूरे जर्नी में?
बहुत सारे.
Okay.
Yeah, I got some friends from Thailand. I got some friends from Japan. Yeah, I met them at the restaurants. So yeah.
So which is that international cuisine that you want to try or learn?
Learn to cook or I want to try it.
नहीं, learn to cook. अभी कुकिंग भी कर लो, थोड़ा सा काम भी कर लो.
I want to try and cook the authentic Thai dishes.
Thai dishes.
हाँ, like the green curry, but authentic होना चाहिए.
Okay.
जैसे कि
उनका फ्लेवर आता है.
that one. वो वैसा.
I can, the moment the waiter comes with the dish and the fragrance, oh my God, it's on different. See, as I say, every cuisine has its own flavor.
Exactly.
It's a palate and all that. But yeah, खाना तो खाना है यार.
And Preeti, food is the only thing which will attract not just your eyes. It will attract your nose. It will attract your mouth. It will attract your eyes. सबको अट्रैक्ट करता है वो, सब चीज़ को. पेंटिंग आप देखते हो, ये मैं अमिताभ बच्चन का डायलॉग मार रही हूँ, but it's true. Food attracts all senses.
बड़े लोग, बड़ियाँ गल्ला. Oh, I'm enjoying this. No, that's true, very true, as you said. तो आप सोशल मीडिया की अभी फूड ब्लॉगर की क्वीन में बहन की बोल सकती हूँ, ठीक है, बहरीन में. लेकिन टच वुड, यस, टच वुड. बट इट्स सच अ ग्लैम थिंग टू सी. What is that people don't see?
The struggle, the time, the time you're investing, short शायद 1 मिनट का होगा. The video is for 1 minute, लेकिन उसके पीछे वो जो पूरा आपका स्ट्रगल होता है वो लोगों को नहीं मालूम है ना. Like you're investing your time. Like ज़्यादातर लोग they will say, oh, food bloggers, they will go for free food. But food bloggers are also giving their service. People need to understand that. They're investing their time. They're investing their time in the editings, and they're also investing on the platform.
Do you have a proper cameraman to shoot, or you do it by yourself?
Before I used to do it myself, but now I do have a cameraman.
Proper team.
Proper team.
Okay,
yeah.
So Farah has a team too. Oh my God.
Yeah, the Bahrain blog team.
Yeah, Bahrain blog team. Oh
Yeah.
my God. Proud of her. Okay. तो फिर ये effort हो गया. तो अभी how do you coordinate with the restaurants? Like वो उनको पहले आप call करते हो या how does it work? If anybody wants to start doing it. So
well, if I find something very interesting, कोई बहुत interesting restaurant that I want to visit, then I approach them that I want to visit. And ऐसे भी होता है, sometimes I don't take appointments. I just go there and I try the food. ऐसा भी है. And sometimes I take appointments. I let them know that I'm coming. And sometimes I get invitations from them that we would like you to come and we would like you to try this menu
dishes
and
and
let us know how it is.
Okay.
Show it to your audience. So ऐसा भी होता है. Different ways.
Okay, एक question मैं पूछती हूँ, sweet या savory? Which is your favorite
I think
angle?
Savory more.
Savory more.
Yeah.
More of
It's not like I don't like sweet, but savory more.
Okay. हर फील्ड में कंपैरिजन होता है, कंपटीशन होता है. अभी तो आप सोशल मीडिया पे, वहाँ पे तो लोग दिखाई भी नहीं देते हैं जो आपसे एक्चुअली compete करते हैं. So how do you handle all that?
Competing with people, because everybody has their own style, people. Preeti, everybody has their own way of making videos. उनका अपना स्टाइल है एक, सबका. आप देखो, all the food bloggers or any other bloggers lifestyle, they are making it in a different way. उनका अलग creativity, उसका अलग है, उसका अलग है. I come in front of the camera, I explain, and then some of the people they will show their own without showing their face. वो भी
voice over देते हैं.
हाँ, voice over देंगे. वो भी एक स्टाइल है, ये भी एक स्टाइल है. तो कंपटीशन वाला चीज़ नहीं है. बट या एवरीबडी हैज़ देयर ओन स्टाइल. अब वो जो भी ऑडियंस को पसंद है, या people like that style also.
But does it affect you anytime? Like,
not really. It doesn't affect me. In fact, Preeti, bloggers are very friendly with each other. People don't know this, but they are.
Really?
Yeah, they are very friendly. They will connect and they will say, oh, I went to that place. You should go there too.
Okay.
Yeah, they have really nice food, or this place is so good. Yeah, we interact like that. We have bloggers event. We meet and we have these meetups and we talk and we exchange ideas also. you know you should do like this and you know you should do like this. तो ऐसे भी होता है. So I didn't face any competition. No.
Oh, that's really nice to know. And I think that's how people should grow. That's how people should learn and teach, you know, in the same, when you're in the same boat or the same journey.
Exactly. Yeah.
It's a healthy competition.
Healthy competition. Yeah.
Being a writer, जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे बोलते हैं कि राइटर ब्लॉक आ जाता है. आपका भी कभी कभी क्रिएटिव ब्लॉक आता होगा, तो देन व्हाट डू यू डू? हाउ डू यू ब्रिंग इट बैक?
Creative block as in?
अभी जैसे एक ही चीज कर करके आप बोर हो गए हो, समझ में नहीं आता, अभी आप खुद ही लगता है कि यू नो ये तो मैंने पिछली बार भी ये डाला था.
Exactly.
तो फिर उसको कैसे कट करके कुछ नया क्रिएट करते हो?
This is the thing. जैसे I mentioned before also कि you have to follow the trend. You have to see कि सोशल मीडिया पे क्या ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है, किस चीज़ पे व्यूज़ ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं, you know what kind of videos are people liking. So you have to take some, you know, things from there also. Okay, I can give a shot like that. हाँ, वहीं से ideas. I take ideas from social media कि भाई ये वीडियो बड़ी अच्छी थी, ये शॉट बड़ा अच्छा था, I should take this shot next time when I go to a restaurant. इस तरह का शॉट लूँगी मैं, और वाकई में they are good. हाँ, अच्छा होता है. तो वो
आपका फेवरेट फूड ब्लॉगर कौन है?
मेरा फेवरेट फूड ब्लॉगर
नहीं तो कोई भी इन्फ्लुएंसर ब्लॉगर आपका, लाइक ऑन अ डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म, आप किसको दिल से फॉलो करते हो और मतलब उनको कॉपी भी करते हो उनको?
वेल ऐसे तो बहुत सारे मेरे ब्लॉगर फ्रेंड्स हैं, बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई वाज अ बिग फैन ऑफ डोनाज वंडर्स. शी स्टार्टेड दिस डिजर्ट शॉप, उन्होंने शुरू किया ग्लूटेन फ्री, शुगर फ्री. So I was a big fan of her, and I'm still a big fan of her. She's very, you know, she used to make these amazing gluten-free, sugar-free and still so delicious desserts she used to make. बाकी savory मैंने उनका, हाँ, I tried majboos also, which was delicious once I tried, but most of her desserts were amazing. So I'm a fan of Donna's.
Okay.
Yeah.
Donna's
Miss Donna.
Yes.
I love you, Miss Donna.
Yeah. डिजिटल मीडिया, ठीक है, आज की डेट में हम बहुत ऐसा देखते हैं कि यू नो XYZ जो मन में आता है, जो कुछ दिमाग में आता है, जहाँ पे होते हैं वो डाल देते हैं. आप ऑथेंटिक रहने के लिए क्या करते हो? लाइक हाउ डू यू फाइंड अ वे टू बी ऑथेंटिक एंड बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर्स?
Thank you, Preeti, for asking me this question. I want to say this on your, you know, platform, your podcast. Being a food blogger, authentic is okay. You can be authentic, but you have to know the difference between a food critic and a food blogger. इसमें difference है. You cannot be a food critic if you're not qualified for that. I'm not qualified for a food critic, so I cannot go online and on social media and say this food is not good. You know, brutally honesty कि I don't like it. ज़्यादा I will not show the dish because I didn't like it. Or if I liked it a lot, बहुत अच्छा है, maybe you didn't like it. Okay, something that I liked a lot and you will go there and you will try it and you didn't like it. You will say यार ये इतना बढ़ चढ़ के बोल रही थी, इतना तो खास नहीं था. So you have to be, you know, you have to manage this. Yeah. So authentic रहिए. You know, you can show the menu. As a food blogger, you can show the menu, you can show the restaurant, you can show their food. But I don't think I should. I'm talking about myself. That okay, this is very bad or this is very good. Okay, I liked it. They like, you can use some words saying that you really liked this dish, or if you didn't like this dish, you just have to, because I'm not a food critic, to be honest. I'm not a food critic, so I am not authorized to say that some restaurant is very bad or some food is very bad. I refrain from.
You're not a food
that.
inspector, basically.
I am not. And most of the people, they don't realize that you're not honest. It's not about honesty. It's about who you are. You have to realize that. And you always have to respect the culture where you're living.
I seriously salute you for this, bringing this topic, because it didn't come into my head when I was, you know, thinking about food blogging. Definitely, I have seen people, and I will not name. What happened on Facebook, somebody had put a big comment on one of the restaurants, which the owner is a very good friend of mine.
Yeah.
And I felt so bad. Like, फिर मैंने उनसे पूछा भी कि आपने क्यों लिखा. नहीं ऐसे हुआ था जी, ऐसे हुआ था, वैसे हुआ था. तो फिर मैंने अपने फ्रेंड को उनको कॉल करके उनको बताया. उनको पता भी नहीं था कि उनके बारे में इतना बड़ा पोस्ट फेसबुक पे आ गया है. तो मैंने उनको बोला कि आप प्लीज़ सॉर्ट आउट करो. अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है कि दिस डजंट हैपन एट योर प्लेस, बट somebody had a bad experience and they have just come out and went it out very badly, which is going to create some damage on your image.
Exactly.
तो देख लो, sort out कर लो. So as you said, yes, you are not a food inspector. You are no one to go and critique the food. If you don't like it, don't like it. Just leave it.
If you want to give your opinion, you can give them personally. You can personally give them opinion. भाई नमक ज़्यादा हो गया या ये हो गया या ऐसा हो गया. You can personally tell them. आप सोशल मीडिया पे जाके बोलोगे, कल जाके आपने वही डिश ट्राई किया, आपको अच्छा लगा, then you will lose that respect for me. You know, she was lying. So that's why you have to be very careful when you're giving your opinion. Yeah.
आपको देख के, आपके साथ भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने जर्नी शुरू की थी, आपको देख के भी बहुत सारे लोग इंस्पायर हो रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे भी और ग्लोबली, इन केस इफ एनी वन मैसेज दैट यू वुड लाइक टू पास ऑन टू द एस्पायरिंग फूड ब्लॉगर्स, क्या चीज़ है जो उनको करनी चाहिए और क्या चीज़ नहीं करनी चाहिए?
एज अ फूड ब्लॉगर, जैसे मैंने कहा, यू हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट वेयर यू आर लिविंग, योर एटमॉस्फियर, द पीपल अराउंड यू, रिस्पेक्ट एवरीबडी, यू नो, एंड if it's your passion, go for it. Don't think okay, इतना मेरा एज हो गया, अभी मैं क्या शुरू करूँ. नहीं, करो.
Age is just a number.
Just a number. Just do it. If you're passionate about it, you will find success. So don't worry about this. Just go for it. But you have to respect the people. You have to respect where you're living, people around you, the culture. वो सब respect करके चलो. And as a food blogger, like I said, unless you're a food critic, just be careful what you're saying, because you know it can make it or it can break it. Yeah. Social media is very powerful, Preeti. You know that social media is very powerful. Everything goes viral like that. So you have this responsibility on you. Yeah, use it wisely. If you
now,
have
when
an
you're
impact.
talking about culture, so Bahrain maybe. So was it a challenge for you to start this journey, or it was a smooth one?
It was really smooth. It was not challenging at all. You know, it was really smooth. Like I went to so many places, so many restaurants. I met so many people. Everybody was so welcoming, so loving, caring, and they when they appreciate your work, that's the biggest strength for you. You know, when they appreciate you, oh, you're doing something nice. So even if I go somewhere and they will tell me, you know, even if I'm going to buy grocery, आलू प्याज लेने के लिए भी मैं जाऊंगी उधर, मुझे को बोलेगा कि आपको वो वीडियो देखा, वो देख के मैं उधर गया. दैट इज द बिगेस्ट रिवॉर्ड फॉर मी. मुझको मिल गया.
Definitely, when your work gets acknowledged, when people start appreciating your hard work and they know that there is but a big lot of effort that somebody has put into this.
Exactly.
अच्छा लगता है.
बिल्कुल. तो यही रिवॉर्ड है, यही खुशी है, यही इनकरेजमेंट है.
फूड ब्लॉगिंग हो गई, टीचर भी मुझे पता है. अब मुझे वो भी पता है कि और भी बहुत सारे इंटरेस्ट हैं फरा के. एक इंटरेस्ट तो मैंने भी आपके साथ शेयर किया हुआ है,
जहाँ से हमारी
दोस्ती शुरू हुई थी. एक्चुअली टू लेट माय व्यूअर्स नो, हम लोगों ने एक आरजे हंट में पार्टिसिपेट किया था, जहाँ पे हम दोनों एक दूसरे के कॉम्पिटिटर्स थे, बट हमने कोई कॉम्पिटिशन किया नहीं था. दैट्स अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी. हम लोग वहाँ पे भी मजे ही कर रहे थे और दोनों में से कोई जीता भी नहीं था.
बट दोस्त बन गए थैंक्स टू दैट कॉम्पिटिशन. आई फाउंड यू.
नहीं, हमने सीखा बहुत. सी एवरी जर्नी टीचेस यू समथिंग. उसमें वो जो 5-6 महीने का प्रोसेस रहा था, उसमें जो तमाशे करने थे और जो एक्सपेरिमेंट करने थे, किए, मजे किए, अच्छा लगा. फाइनलिस्ट थे हम लोग. एंड पर और कुछ है जो अभी भी हिडन है फरा का, जो हमें देखने को मिलेगा?
बात आपने उस जर्नी की स्टार्ट की है, तो उस जर्नी से मैंने भी बहुत कुछ सीखा, आपने भी बहुत कुछ सीखा. तो आई डिड लर्न दैट आई कैन स्पीक वेल, which got me the courage of coming in front of the camera and speaking and talking about the food and talking about the places.
Okay.
So this is what I learned from that event.
Okay.
Yeah. So आगे देखते हैं अगर कुछ और निकल आया. Talent, you will see it. अभी तक तो यही है.
बहरीन वालों कोई और कंपटीशन रखो, बड़ा तैयार है.
चक दे फटे.
ये तो होगी अच्छी बात है. कोई मिस्टेक भी की होगी जो आज तक आप रिपेंट करते हो कि अरे यार ये नहीं करना चाहिए था लाइफ में, कुछ ऐसा?
लाइफ की मिस्टेक पूछ रहे हो?
हाँ, खाने की, फूड ब्लॉगिंग की भी बता दो.
बहुत हो गया. लाइफ का बताते हैं. लाइफ का आई रिग्रेट नॉट कंटिन्यूइंग माई स्टडीज. अगर मुझको सेकेंड चांस, यू नो, इफ आई गेट अ सेकेंड चांस, आई विल स्टडी मोर. कुछ डॉक्टर इंजीनियर करके कुछ बनने का
वो है।
वो मुझको रिग्रेट होता है कि मैं अपना स्टडीज आई हैव अ डिग्री इन बैचलर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स, बट मुझको और पढ़ना चाहिए था, ये मुझे कभी भी होता है। आई शुड हैव।
So what is stopping you now?
वेल अभी मैं इसमें चली गई हूँ, दिस ऑल्सो नीड्स टाइम, इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं, यू नो, मैनेजिंग करना और ये करना, तो वो है।
हम लोग बात करें गलतियों की। गलतियां होती हैं, सबसे होती हैं, लेकिन ये जो डिजिटल वर्ल्ड है आज का, इसमें गलतियां भी कभी कभी मज़ेदार हो जाती हैं और कभी कभी लोग पर्पसली क्रिएट भी करते हैं। तो आप अपने आप को कैसे ग्राउंडेड रखते हो कि नहीं, मुझे इधर भी नहीं और इधर भी नहीं, बैलेंस करके चलना है? वो बैलेंस कैसे मेंटेन करते हो आप?
इस बात का यू नो प्रीति, हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल। बहुत ख्याल रखना पड़ता है कि आप सोशल मीडिया पे क्या बोल रहे हो, व्हाट यू आर पोर्ट्रेइंग, बिकॉज सोशल मीडिया इज यू नो इट्स गुड ऑल्सो, एंड इफ इट्स अगेंस्ट यू इट्स बैड ऑल्सो, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल। यू नो योर स्टैंडर्ड, अपना रिस्पेक्ट रख के बात करना, वो करना, यू हैव टू बी यू नो, तो इस सब चीज़ का आपको बिल्कुल ख्याल रखना पड़ता है। सो आई एम ऑलवेज केयरफुल दैट how I'm portraying myself, what I'm saying, how I'm saying, people are not getting offended, किसी को बुरा तो नहीं लगेगा, ये सब का बहुत मैं वो करती हूँ कि मेरी कोई बात।
Does dressing also come into this in this aspect?
ड्रेसिंग I've always been you know
No, मैं in general मैं बोल रही हूँ कि अगर किसी को देखना हो, करना हो, तो do you think that matters?
I think so, because as I said, wherever you're living, whichever country, you have to respect the culture of that country. You have to respect. Now Bahrain is a you know you have to be in a modest dressing. तो हमेशा I am in a
No,
modest
even though
dressing.
it's a free country, I feel like we should be respecting the culture.
Exactly. So yeah, you have to be careful and see what you're saying, what you're how you're dressing.
नाप तोल के।
नाप तोल के, कि कोई ऑफेंड ना हो, कोई चीज़ वो ना हो, यू नो, और करना भी क्यों, यू नो, व्हाई वुड यू वांट टू डू दैट? वो एक होता है फेम के लिए करते हैं,
That's what negative create.
बट वो फेम चुटकी में मिलता है और चुटकी में चला भी जाता है वो।
Okay.
You know, you will get the fame, you know, as fast, and you will lose it also. So slow and steady wins the race.
So you don't believe in negative publicity?
No, not at all.
अब एक HR क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ. Where do you see yourself after 5 years? 5 साल पहले मुझे मालूम है आप कहाँ थे, अभी 5 साल बाद कहाँ? Where can I imagine Farad, you know?
Well, where I am now, also like 5 years back, I didn't imagine I'll be here. I didn't know कि मैं यहाँ तक पहुँचूँगी भी नहीं पहुँचूँगी. अभी मैंने 1 million views touch किया है, 1 million views, 100K followers. Thank you so much. So I didn't imagine that, but yeah, hopefully I feel that I will grow myself. I will develop myself in this field as an influencer, as a food blogger, and yeah, maybe I would like to have my own marketing company someday.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so that's my
aim.
I want to have my own marketing
और
company.
कोई ऐसी कंट्री जहाँ पे आप जाना चाहो cuisine टेस्ट करने के लिए वहाँ का? थाई तो बोला आपने मेरे को.
हाँ.
Apart from that.
I so want to go to Switzerland. हाँ, उनका चीज़ और ब्रेड ट्राई करना है मुझे, यू नो, जो वहाँ पे होता है.
मुझे ले जाना साथ में.
स्ट्रीट पे जो चीज़ और उनका ब्रेड होता है ना स्विट्जरलैंड का.
नहीं, मुझे खाना नहीं खाना है. आई एम ऑन प्रॉपर डाइट. मैं स्विट्जरलैंड के लिए चली चलूँगी. मैं आपके मार्केटिंग टीम में यू नो एज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर मार्केटिंग टीम चल पड़ूंगी मैं.
मोस्ट वेलकम.
पक्का मैं कैमरा लेके खड़ी हो जाऊंगी आपके. ओके, सो स्विट्जरलैंड, फरा इज वेटिंग फॉर यू. और आर यू वेटिंग फॉर फरा? अगर बहरीन एक डिश होता तो आप उस डिश को क्या नाम देते?
अगर बहरीन एक डिश होता तो वो एक बहुत ही कंफर्टिंग डिश होता, जिसमें अच्छा आई विल टेल यू नो इन रमदान वी मेक दिस डिश कॉल्ड थरीद. It's also a Bahraini dish called tharid with vegetables or meat or you know khubuz. They put khubuz in it. So it's like a comforting food. सब कुछ है उसके अंदर. Meat भी है, protein भी है, vegetables भी है और khubuz भी है. So you make it like a soup and then you put khubuz in it and then you eat it.
Okay.
So वो मेरे को बहरीन वो लगता है tharid. Comforting. हाँ, सब कुछ है इसमें.
सब कुछ मिल गया. मुझे बहरीन छोड़ के नहीं जाना है. इतना सब है अभी फरा, आपको सब जानते हैं ना. एवरीबडी एक्चुअली नोज यू as what you are. लेकिन आपके लिए सक्सेस का क्या मतलब है?
मेरे लिए सक्सेस यही है प्रीति, व्हेन लाइक आई सेड, if anybody comes to me and tells me, you know, we saw your video and we took that offer when we saw your video, even if I'm doing something on lifestyle, you know, कुछ मैंने किसी हॉस्पिटल का डाल दिया, you know, they have this offer, or some market or some restaurant, and they go and take that offer and they tell me, or they will send me a message on Instagram, you know, see, we went there and we saw your video and we went there. There was one time, I want to tell you, someone went to a restaurant when I put that post on story, like within half an hour, within 25 minutes, I received this message, oh, we saw your story and we are here. So that was so satisfied for me, you know. It was so encouraging and made me so happy. So this is success for me. I felt so successful at that time. You know, within 25 minutes, someone will see your video and they will go there. And they will send you the picture, we are here. This is success for me.
Talking about Bahrain. It's an emotion. It's a second home. It's love, I would say. तो आप अपने आप को कितना कनेक्टेड महसूस करते हो बहरीन को? आप कब आए थे एक्चुअली बहरीन में? आई डिडंट आस्क यू दैट क्वेश्चन. व्हेन डिड यू कम टू बहरीन?
I opened my eyes here. मैं अपनी आंखें इधर खोली.
You were born in Bahrain?
I was born in Bahrain. I was born in Manama and brought up here. I never left Bahrain. Till this date, I've always been here. And I want to die here.
पंजाबी मने तेरे दुश्मन. Seriously, I didn't know about it.
Yeah, I'm Bahraini.
Oh.
Yeah, by nationality also. So
Okay.
I'm very happy. Thank you so much, God, for this honor. Yeah, I've always been a Bahraini.
So basically, actually, parents are from
Balochistan.
Balochistan.
Yeah.
Oh.
So my grandfather migrated to Bahrain. We've been here for 4 generations now.
Okay.
Yeah. So he migrated and then my dad was here.
तुसी बहरीनी हो?
असी बहरीनी हैं.
बताओ. I know Farah from many years, and this is the first time I came to know this, aspect of her life. Okay, chalo. Very nice to know that, and definitely मेरे लिए तो actually it's not even a second home. मैं vacation के बाद यहाँ आती तो मुझे यहाँ आके आराम लगता है.
You feel this is the home.
This is the home.
Exactly. So यही feeling है.
Last but not least, how do you define Farah in just 3 words?
In 3 words, I would say Farah is resilient, fearless, and passionate. Yes, that's me.
वो तो आप हैं.
Fearless, मैं थोड़ा सा मुंह फट हूँ, इसीलिए मैंने बोला fearless. Resilient, I always like to bounce back. You know, एक चीज़ अगर मुझे कुछ discourage हुआ or something made me disappointed, I will not, think about that and I will go to the depression. नहीं, मैं वापस आ जाऊँगी. I will try again. वो करके मुझको negativity पसंद नहीं है प्रीति. I like being happy. I like being happy और वही vibes देना भी अच्छा लगता है मुझको. I cannot be depressed. हाँ, depression.
I've never seen you. I've never seen you.
You always find me jumping.
Yeah.
Smiling.
ऐसे ही रहो, खुश रहो, आबाद रहो. पंजाबी
Even you are like this. Priti, that's why I connect with you. Priti, you're always smiling. Your vibes always, you're spreading positive vibes wherever you go.
Thank you.
Wherever you go. See, she's looking so pretty.
Pretty is looking pretty.
Pretty is looking pretty. Mashallah. Yeah. So this is it. That's why I connect with you.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Yeah, वो नहीं खांदे रहो, फलदे फुलदे रहो. आज बहुत पंजाबी हो गई यार. Okay. ये weekend है यहाँ पे. Actually, when we are shooting today is a weekend. तो आज घरे की बने हैं या की बनाया है?
बिरयानी बनी है. बिरयानी बनी है.
So viewers, we can't go to her home and eat the biryani, but get the flavors of it, cook at home, as what she always tells on her social handles, khao piyo ash karo.
Khao piyo ash karo.
So with this foodie yummy thought, I take your leave. I'll see you in my next episode with another interesting guest. Till then, take care. Love you. See you.